pink champagne. I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say. It's all about timing. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar, like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it has been it feels like forever since I posted a video. I'm really sorry about that, but I've had some recent schedule changes with my professional job, and I'm just over it at this point. But it's really been impacting my life, and it's not terrible, but it's not great. So I just kind of needed a little break, but I'm back now to review these Type X nails. So I first saw these on Nails by Brandy's channel, and I actually recorded this video and had it edited even before Long Hair Pretty Nails posted her video. Excuse me. And then after that, I have just been seeing these things everywhere. And so yeah, this is just the regular nail tip kit with the glue gel. That's all that came in this kit. I love the packaging. I love what it says on the front of the packaging. This glue is really nice and really thick, and I do apply a tip as an example in this video. My natural nails were looking pretty crazy, so I am wearing gloves, not only just to protect myself from the product, but also because my natural nails were just, really wild at this point in time. I had soaked my other nails off and they were just breaking and crusty, so yeah. I did get really curious just to check the quality and see how sturdy these nails were. You can see that they have a really nice C curve, and I actually really love the shape of them. They did fit my thumb really well, and I did make sure that I filed down or filed around the nail tip. And you'll also see another little test that I do here in a second, but I just wanted to thank everyone for 1,000 subscribers, and I have stayed there steadily for over a week now. I especially want to shout out Kiara Creations. She shared one of my haul videos, and then after that, I immediately literally had 1,000 subscribers overnight. So thank you so much for that. And also to my nail sister, Nails by Lena C. They're both here on YouTube if you want to go check out their channels as well. But she also mentioned me in one of her videos around the same time, so I want to thank you both so much for that. But here I am showing you how thick these nail tips actually are. And so this was the little stress test that I did. And the reason why I cut it in half is because I've never seen anybody else do this. And I wanted to see if there was a bubble inside of the tip and if that's what makes it thicker. Or could you really just file it down? And even though the apex is already really nice, you might want it a little more thin in some areas, just depending on how it fits your own nail, right? So they are completely customizable is what that means. And I really like that, just in case you don't want them that thick. However, they do make things very simple. And I don't know if these tips would be ideal for using the Femi Beauty method, the Lazy Girl method, or if you can use them for aquarium nails. They do have a pretty high they have a high apex, but you can see that when you kind of look through that apex, that it makes everything look kind of like a magnifying glass. And so I was just really curious that I might have to try out an aquarium nail with these because I have a lot of fun doing those. But right now I am just shaping the nail, and you can see I'm taking my file and I'm going around that cuticle, not only to shape it to my natural nail, but to also file down the back. So that way it doesn't stick too far up off my natural nail around my cuticle and not look very even or flush. So when I am putting them on myself, I do kind of flatten out the back of that nail tip. And now I'm just taking a lint-free wipe with alcohol and wiping off all that excess dust, so that way it doesn't get in the nail glue or compromise, the strength of it. But it really doesn't matter because now I am going in with a thin layer of my peel-off base coat. I did not prep my natural nail. I just left it the way it is. If I prep my natural nail, these things will stay on forever, even with peel-off base coat, and I don't want that to happen at the moment. So I just wanted to do this one finger. So here's where you could see that the gel is actually pretty thick. I'm putting it on, it's not moving around anywhere. I have to physically, press it on and things like that. And of course, with every single Gel-X kit that you use, you do have to get adjusted to the consistency of the glue and how it feels when you put it on. I did get a little bit of a burning sensation with this, but not too bad. And I think part of what helps with that burning sensation is when you do like the little flash cure that I'll do here in a second. But this part is always really satisfying to me with Gel-X, like seeing the glue go on. Then I did a little test to see if it would stay. It doesn't stay very long, but it is still like sturdy and you don't have to press down very much to flatten it out. But it did lift a little bit around the cuticle when I just kind of let it sit there for a second. So I did have to go in and push that down. And here I'm showing you that I did leave a little gap between my natural nail and my cuticle. So that way, if you want, you can go in and refine it a little bit more and really blend it in with your natural nail and get in there nice, really nice and good with, this is one of my favorite cuticle bits. And you can also use it to then go over the rest of the nail. I did not fully buff out the entire nail because now I'm going in with a base coat, just regular tacky base coat. And then I'm going to do a couple layers of this Castini gel polish. This is one of my favorite brands lately. And then I do a layer of a Beetles, it's like a teal glittery color. It just turned out so pretty. But once again, I want to thank everyone so much for 1,000 subscribers. Like, I just cannot believe I've hit that milestone. It's been 3 years in the making. It's just been a really long time. And I'm so sorry that I have had to step away for a minute, but I am back now. I have a couple more things recorded that I'm really excited to share. And of course, you guys are all the best part of my channel, and I am absolutely going to be doing a giveaway. So please stay tuned for that video as well. It'll probably take me about a month or a month and a half to get everything together that I want to put in the giveaway and things like that, but I will be doing it. So yes, and you guys will absolutely know when that is dropping, and I'll make sure to get everybody included. But this is what the rest of my nails are looking like, but you'll see how those turn out in a little bit, and I'll see you in my next video.